Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make grass rolls. First, prepare your site by clearing any existing vegetation and debris. Next, level the area, ensuring a smooth, even surface for optimal growth. Then, select a high-quality grass seed blend appropriate for your local climate and intended use. Finally, confirm that your chosen area has adequate drainage to support healthy grass development. After preparing your soil, it's time to seed. Distribute your chosen grass seed evenly across the prepared area, aiming for about 10 to 15 seeds per square inch. Lightly cover the seeds with a thin layer of topsoil or compost, no more than 1/4 of an inch deep. Immediately after seeding, water the area gently to avoid displacing the seeds, keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Once seeded and lightly covered, use a lightweight lawn roller to gently press the seeds into the soil. This ensures good seed-to-soil contact, which is crucial for germination. Maintain consistent, light watering, especially during dry periods, to keep the top 1 to 2 inches of soil moist. Protect your newly growing grass from heavy foot traffic for at least 4 to 6 weeks to allow it to establish strong roots. For ongoing care, begin mowing your new grass when it reaches 3 to 4 inches in height, cutting off no more than 1/3 of the blade. Fertilize your established lawn with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer to promote healthy growth. Remember, consistent care leads to a lush, green lawn. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.